This house is a home run. We spent a lot of time on this house, a little bit more time than normal, just because it's so beautiful. It's high-end, fixtures are just nicer, shampoo boxes in the showers. The material is definitely a step up. Custom cabinetry work in the closets, in the pantries, a lot different than what we normally do. Really like the light color on the hardwoods. The laundry's incredible. I mean, you're just not gonna have this in a normal house. So, I mean, you're coming in, you've got a whole countertop sink, essentially a pantry itself, a whole row of uppers, nice gold fixtures. The exterior doors speak for themselves. The kitchen is overwhelming, just beautiful. The light fixtures are a step up, the countertops, the appliances. There's no telling how much he spent on appliances. This was a good house, there wasn't no real big issue. Somebody will appreciate this. Good flat level house, one level. And if you've got somebody that wants to go upstairs, you've got rooms and the mini fridge. We don't, having this is just a real nice luxury.